Hello, my name is Fiona Walport and I'm going to be talking to you today about the MSc in Sustainable Structural Engineering, which is based in UCL's Department of Civil, Environmental and Geomatic Engineering. Structural engineers are the subset of engineers that design the strength and stability of buildings and bridges. And more broadly, engineering underpins almost every aspect of modern life, with our built environment allowing for the habitation of diverse environments all around the world. However, the facts are now clear that the built environment is a major contributor to the emissions of greenhouse gases. At UCL, we are reimagining urban development to create urban environments that take less of a toll on the world's climate and resources to build a better future. Considering the urgent need for the construction industry to adopt sustainable structural design solutions, this programme has been developed with this notion at the very core of its offering, to equip graduates to build that better future. UCL Civil, Environmental and Geomatic Engineering, CEGE for short, is a multidisciplinary department with a long tradition of excellence in teaching and research. At UCL CEGE, people are at the centre of what we do, and our courses will help you to explore, build and design engineering solutions that make a tangible difference. The department is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, allowing us to simulate and test full-scale urban environments and systems, focusing on the big issues of now and the future. These are based across our two primary campuses in Bloomsbury and at UCL East in Stratford, as well as Cave and Pearl in Dagenham. Whether it's the navigation of space shuttles, city design or water processing, we are at the forefront of global efforts to build a better world. More specifically, within the structured discipline, our academics have world-leading research portfolios and are international leaders in urban sustainability and resilience, numerical modelling, structural testing, and the design of new and existing structures. Strong links to industry and research are embedded throughout our diverse range of programmes, with these links enhanced by our proximity to both major infrastructure projects and leading firms, thanks to our central London location. Our graduates go on to work at some of the leading engineering consultancy and contracting companies, with just a few of these shown on the slide. Lots of these companies are involved as industry partners on our courses, so you really get to know them and they get to know you. And these interactions can lead to a greater understanding of the career choices out there, but quite often also lead to actual job opportunities, both in the UK and abroad. CEGE offers a wide-ranging portfolio of degrees at both undergraduate and postgraduate level. For our postgraduate taught offerings, we have over 10 plus programmes, so there's really something for everyone, including our MSc in Sustainable Structural Engineering, which I will now take some time to talk about in a little more detail. This MSc in Sustainable Structural Engineering capitalises on the department's world-leading expertise in both fundamental and applied structural engineering. But unique to this programme and core through its development is the theme of low carbon resilience. This Master's fundamentally recognises the importance of creating a sustainable and resilient built environment and prepares students to become leaders in this field. Sustainable structural engineering is an increasingly important field, owing largely to the very significant impact that the construction sector has on CO2 emissions. Lowering these emissions and moving towards a net zero economy is a key driver which requires a major shift in the status quo. Recognising the industry demand, this programme is uniquely positioned to equip students with the knowledge and skills to design, construct and maintain structures that are environmentally responsible, socially equitable and economically viable, fundamentally addressing these significant global challenges related to sustainable and resilient urban environments and infrastructure. The varied interdisciplinary curriculum, founded on research excellence, will prepare students to take a holistic and innovative approach to sustainable engineering solutions, facilitating the transition to become versatile professionals in a rapidly evolving field. Through industry-led teaching and design-based learning, our programme sets itself apart by offering a curriculum built around understanding how technical competence in structural engineering plays a crucial role in meeting sustainability and net zero targets. Our modules have been designed with the UN Sustainable Development Goals in mind and will equip students with the skills to go and have real impact in the efforts to decarbonise the built environment. This course is ideally suited to students who have a strong desire to improve their fundamental knowledge of structural behaviour, For students who want to develop new skills in assessment, analysis and design of modern sustainable structures, as well as understand how to reuse and retrofit existing and historic structures. We're looking for students who are driven to shape the future of sustainable building design. The academics supporting this programme are international leaders in analysis and design of low carbon and sustainable structures, and the course will be delivered through a broad suite of teaching approaches, supported by access to our state-of-the-art facilities. This programme is structured around a number of compulsory and optional modules. This means you can choose to personalise your learning based on your individual interest and desired specialism. To view extensive module information for this programme, please visit the Perspectives page. If you are passionate about the environment and gaining a deep level understanding and practice of modern structural engineering, but also with the most up-to-date and relevant technological skills required in the context of the ever-growing climate emergency, then this is the MSc for you. For further information on entry requirements, fees and application closing dates, you'll need to visit the programme's Perspectives page. This is also where you'll find a link to make your application. Being part of the UCL community is inspiring and life-changing in many ways, not just academically. We are located in the heart of London, which was recently ranked the best student city in the world in the QS Best Student Cities Ranking 2025 for the 6th consecutive year. This means that access to UCL's state-of-the-art campus facilities is complemented by proximity to famous museums and galleries, esteemed libraries and professional associations, and first-rate entertainment and nightlife. This map shows where our two main campuses are based, Bloomsbury on the left and UCL East on the right. The pink dots are UCL accommodation and the blue are UCL campus buildings and facilities. Our accommodation services team is also able to offer support to students on alternative accommodation, such as renting privately or via University of London Housing Services. UCL Students' Union has over 300 clubs and societies, so there's always the opportunity to pick up a new hobby or meet new people. Engineering-specific societies include the Fleming Society, UCL Racing, the AI Society, the Healthcare Innovation Society, and there are so many more. The union also provides sports, fitness and entertainment facilities. You can also get involved in representing Team UCL, both socially and competitively. The union also provides advice and support in case you find yourself struggling. There is a team of wellbeing, disability and mental health experts on hand at UCL Student Support and Wellbeing. Equality, diversity and inclusion are fundamental to the ethos of UCL. We were the first university in England to admit women students on equal terms with men in 1878. We encourage open-mindedness. You will learn how to think, not what to think with us. We're proud that UCL is London's global university with students from 150 countries and 400,000 alumni worldwide. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you at UCL soon.